Mastering the phrase, I blew it. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the colorful world of English expressions. Specifically, we're going to unpack the phrase, I blew it. It's a common expression you might hear in movies, songs, or in a casual conversation. Understanding these phrases is key to mastering the English language, so let's get started. I blew it is an idiomatic expression used to convey that someone has made a mistake, missed an opportunity, or failed at something they were attempting to do. It's a way to admit a personal shortcoming without going into the details of what went wrong. The phrase, I blew it, originates from the mid-19th century. To blow, in slang, meant to mess up or to spoil something. Over the years, I blew it became a popular way of expressing a regrettable error. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday situations. After a job interview, how did the interview go? Not great. I forgot to mention my most relevant experience. I blew it. In a sports game, we were so close to winning, but I missed the final shot. I blew it for the team. During a performance, I practiced for weeks, but when I got on stage, I was so nervous. I blew it and forgot the words. Use this phrase when you want to admit a fault or acknowledge a mistake in a casual and somewhat self-deprecating manner. It's not typically used in formal situations but is perfect for everyday conversations with friends or family. And there you have it. Now you know how to use the phrase, I blew it, like a native speaker. It's a succinct, expressive way to own up to a mistake and move forward. Keep practicing your English with real-life phrases, and you'll be communicating with ease in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this explanation helps you on your language learning journey.